Hello and welcome to SAP Demo Environment 2.0, the one-stop solution for all of SAP's pre-built, pre-configured demos. It's free, easy to use, and designed to help you streamline your pre-sales process, demonstrate the transformative impact of SAP solutions, and close deals more efficiently. Let's get started. You can access SAP Demo Environment 2.0 from the SAP Partner Portal site. To gain free access, you must first complete a qualification assessment designed to prepare you for using the environment and optimize your demo experience. The qualification assessment can be completed in just a few easy steps. Once your qualification is confirmed, reach out to your technical administrator to ensure your user account for the demo environment is properly set up. After confirmation, return to the SAP Partner Portal site to access SAP Demo Environment 2.0. The environment offers hundreds of demos across virtually the entire SAP solution portfolio. To find demos, you can explore by solution area or search using keywords to find all the available assets for your topic area. Advanced filtering is also available to locate specific content, including by asset type, industry, line of business, or product. As an example, let's take a closer look at the financial management demo scenario. First, select the interactive demo script associated with your demo. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, and the table of contents provides you with all the information you need for the demo scenario. Next, get familiar with the storyline. Understand the demo personas and the associated value drivers. When ready, you can access each demo via the smart links. If you require support, reach out to our Demo Concierge team via the SAP Demo Environment 2.0 portal page. Thank you for using SAP Demo Environment 2.0. We look forward to helping you get in front of customers faster and showcasing the full power of what SAP solutions can do.